In this video, you will learn how to release tension, stiffness, and/or pain in the lumbar spine, also known as the lower back. This method will teach you how to release all muscles involved. What's causing pain or stiffness in the joint is lack of blood flow in the surrounding muscles. The main culprit for lower back pain is the psoas muscle. This hip flexor can have a negative impact on spinal extension. Blood flow has been restricted to the lumbar spine because of improper movement patterns or injury. These improper movement patterns can be sitting at an office desk or performing exercises improperly. Seated in a straddle position, flex your knee to help find your hip flexor. Once you've located your hip flexor, you can use a tool to help release the muscle tension. Let's start with the muscle hook. You should be 1 to 2 inches away from your rib cage. Keep your chest up, rib cage open. Breathe in, breathe out. Follow the muscle diagonally from your pelvis bone up towards your sternum. Remember, you should be 1 to 2 inches away from your rib cage. Breathe fresh air through your nose. Release the pain out your mouth. Try both sides of the muscle hook to release your hip flexor. The rounded part of the muscle hook makes it easier to find the hip flexor. The pointier side pinpoints and goes deeper into the hip flexor. Now we're going to use the foam roller stick. This has a much wider base than the muscle hook. Make sure to keep your spine extended. Use the foam roller to release the lower back. It's recommended to release your lower back after your psoas is released because there's less tension on the spine. Another area that can have an effect on the lumbar spine are the spinal erectors. Keep your stomach tight so you can apply more pressure on your lower back. Make sure to breathe fresh air into your nose and breathe the pain out of your mouth. Breathe in your nose Release through your mouth. The lacrosse ball has a smaller surface, so it concentrates more and goes deeper into the muscle. Move the lacrosse ball manually with your hand rather than trying to roll up and down like when on a foam roller. Move the lacrosse ball manually with your hand rather than trying to move up and down like when you are on a foam roller.